How to add a business location on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. Now, in order to add a business location, make sure that your Instagram is a business account. By default, this might be a personal account, so make sure that you see professional dashboard, meaning that your account is a business account. If you're not sure how to do it, then tap on three bar icon here, and you will see an option that says Creator Tools and Controls. From here, tap on Switch Account Type, then tap on Switch to Business Account. Then tap on to Switch. Now this is your business account. Let's go ahead and add a location. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll below, then tap on Contact Options. As you do so, you will see Business Address. Tap onto it. Here, enter your street address, town, city, postal code. Once done, tap on the check icon. And if you would like to display this location onto your Instagram account profile, then toggle on this button. Then tap on OK, and that will be displayed in your Instagram profile page. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.